and some very, very gorgeous looking people in the audience today that will be joining us on. I saw this first look just like you all and I said, wow, it's looking very intriguing. UTB Software Communications Limited and Nadia Bala Grandson Entertainment present Phantom. It's directed by, well, you can't say crores with this gentleman anymore. It's in millions of dollars now, and we'll actually talk about, right, sir? So they might want some solo photographs before you call somebody on stage, yeah.
Thank you, my friends from the media, to come at a very small notice, and especially on a Saturday. I mean, I know it's your holiday, and thank you. And would like to call my director. Our company is very proud to work with Kabir, please.
A big round of applause.
Hi, thank you for being here. This is a very special film. This is actually my first film after I stepped out of Yash Raj and collaborated with Sajid, who I've known for several years. This is an idea that we got from Hussain Zaidi, and at a time when I was thinking of what to do next, Hussain Zaidi came up with this idea of a book that really sort of caught our attention, and we got attracted to it and decided that let's develop a full screenplay on the lines of the book. And that's what Phantom is. It comes from Hussain Zaidi's book, Mumbai Avengers. And we're really proud to present the trailer to you, and we'll chat about the film once you see the trailer.
So perfect. So, sirs, let the way. We'll see the trailer and then come back and chat.
Lose an opportunity of telling a story. And thanks to Kabir for this opportunity. Thanks to Saif and Katrina to be endorsing it also. Thank you.
Just before I call Saif and Katrina on stage, Kabir, this is back to slam bang, lots of action. It's amazing. Do you enjoy this genre a lot also? Are you somebody, when you were a kid, that liked having guns in your hand and, maybe playing with G.I. Joes or, watching those kind of films?
Yeah, like all boys, I think I did that. But more importantly, I spent a lot of my formative years as a documentary filmmaker in a lot of conflict zones. It's like my wife, Minnie, always says that people go for holidays, you go to all the hellholes of the world. So I think that backdrop always sort of finds its way in my films. Always get sort of, I get attracted to human stories set against a backdrop of conflict.
And they're all doing very well. They're breaking the bank balances of so many people. And I'd like to call on stage, my God, they're good looking, and I have not seen Katrina for some time, and I have to say, she gets more gorgeous every time I see her. So before I start drooling, let me call them on stage. Katrina Kaif and the very dapper Saif Ali Khan. You're looking lovely, and nice to meet you again, sir. And before we start chatting, I think they'd want a little bit of a photo op, so we take a little bit of that. Yeah, just if you could leave the mics behind. Sir, could you jump across here? If it's okay.
Please request the writer also. Yeah. Hussain sir. Hussain sir.
Sir, I'll, towards the end. Hussain sir, we'll just